What's up guys, Shawn here. So Parrot just released the Parrot Anafi FPV, and basically if you already have the Parrot Anafi, all you need is a bag and goggles to turn your Parrot Anafi into the Parrot Anafi FPV. So we're going to show you how to do that. I spent about $120 on Amazon to make all this happen. So if you already have the Parrot Anafi and you're thinking about upgrading, watch this video first. Let's do it. Alright guys, so you guys, if you've watched my channel at all, you've seen this case before. Every time I fly my Parrot Anafi, I take this case out. I want to put a link in the description below to my Amazon shop. And in that shop, I've created an idea board for my Parrot Anafi FPV. There you can get the Parrot Anafi FPV if you don't have it yet. If you already have the Parrot Anafi, you can get a pair of goggles for pretty cheap. I'm going to show you the Parrot Mambo FPV kit, which you get a Parrot Mambo to play around in your house, and you get the goggles that will turn your Parrot Anafi into an FPV kit. So let's look in the bag and see what we get. This bag originally carried the controller, these replacement propellers, cables, and the Parrot Anafi in its case. Went inside of this case. So basically I kept all that in there, except I took the propellers out and some of the extra cables that I had, and I was able to fit the Parrot Anafi in its case, the controller, the really long tether that you need, extra battery, and goggles. So let's check it out. I love this case, guys. So there it is. I'll show you what's in the case. Hopefully nothing will fall down. But I've got the goggles, I've got the wire, I've got the Parrot Anafi, I've got the controller, everything you need to go out and fly FPV with your Parrot Anafi. And it's smaller than a backpack. So Parrot Anafi FPV kit comes with a backpack. This is a smaller case that you can fit inside of your backpack. But let's check it out. So basically the Parrot Anafi goes here. I'm going to show you these goggles, and then we're going to go out in the field. I'm going to show you everything else. So in order to fly your Parrot Anafi, all you need is a pair of cockpit glasses. These are the Parrot cockpit glasses 2 that come with the, they come with several drones. There's a Bebop FPV, it's the Bebop Power Edition, come with these goggles. And then, I don't know if the Disco comes with this or not. I didn't check on that. But the Mambo FPV kit. Now, Mambo FPV kit, since it's been out a couple years, I got a refurbished version on Amazon for 90 bucks. Okay? But these goggles are super compact. Basically what you do is you open it up like this, pop this out, and then you pop it out another level. Okay? And then you take your phone, which is a, this is a iPhone XS Max, so this is a pretty big phone. You have to take it out of the case though. I don't like that part. But basically what I do is I make sure that the camera is over on this side, plug it in, and then you're good to go, guys. You'll be FPVing in no time. So here's a field test of when I took this out to the mansion and flew around with the different flight modes. Check it out. We're going to go over to FPV mode, put it in the headset. Alright guys, never done this before. If I push the button in, I can go over here and I can switch between films. So we're going to do standard, we're going to go classic, geofence is off. We're going to start out in film and just see what happens. Alright guys, standard video. We're going to do standard video. We're going to HDR off, display overexposure, image setting. We're just going to do auto. All right, we're recording. We got the home set. Drone's right there. Let's do it. All right, guys. So this is regular standard mode. It's pretty cool that I can see what's happening. How high are we? Get up to 100 feet. Let's look around and see what's going on. So as I'm looking in the viewfinder, the video is a little bit choppy, but see, I can look down, see where we are. There's us on the ground, guys. That's me FPVing. Look at my shadow, I'm huge. All right, so we're gonna get this out. As you can see on the left, I've got my trim. Let's do it. Now, since we're in standard video mode, I wanted to show you guys that as I'm flying, you know, I'm kind of using just regular flight mode. So it flies just like a regular drone would. My Wi-Fi connection's not that good right now because I'm not used to not flying it, like looking at it. So as you guys can see, it's super easy to fly in FPV mode, but I want you guys to notice that the horizon's locked, okay? All right, so now we're going to switch over to sport mode. All right, so this is going to fly in sport mode. It's going to be super fast. I don't want to fly into those trees. So we're going to go in this direction towards the mansion. Now we're going super fast, guys. But I want you guys to notice that the horizon is still locked. All right. Now we're going to switch over to cinematic mode. Now this might make me look a little sick, guys. I don't want to, I want to go over here. Actually, that's a good test. Check it out, guys. So if I go over to the right, I bank to the right. If I go over to the left, I bank to the left. Okay, guys? So we're going to do the same kind of loop, but we're going to do it in cinematic mode. And what this does is it does not lock the horizon, so the gimbal is unlocked. All right, let's do it. Here we go, we're about to take a turn. All right, now it's a little choppy in here, but super cool. So if you want to get some cool banking shots, some cool cinematic shots, this is how you do it, guys. All right, we're still 89 feet up in the air, so we're good. All right. We're gonna go back over. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get to the tree line and then I'm going to turn around. All right, guys. That was crazy. And that is not even racing mode. All right, so I'm going to get over here as close to these trees as I can without hitting them. And then I'm going to turn around and come this way. All right. Now, as you can see, the thing up at the top is telling me if I'm pointing at the drone or not, and I just got really dizzy. All right, so now we're going to switch over to racing mode. And this is scaring the crap out of me, guys. All right, you ready, guys? Let's do it. What? I'm gonna hit a tree, guys. Somehow I got down to 33 feet, so that's kind of scary. Wonder how I did that. We're gonna get back up to 100 feet. We're gonna try that again. Now I'm looking at the red mark. Check that out, guys. So if I'm pointing away from the drone, it's red. There's a red bar up there, and goes yellow and then it goes white. So when I'm looking at the drone, oh, so that's a great way to show your connection. So let's see, how we doing? We've got 52% battery on the controller. Oh, 94% on the controller, 52% on the phone, 58%, 57% on the drone. So we're still pretty good. All right. That's so cool, guys. So yeah, so that's it, guys. That is banking with the original Parrot Anafi. It's pretty awesome. All right, so what did we not do? We're at 125 feet up in the air. We're gonna switch down to piloting style. There's an arcade piloting style. So we're gonna go into that. Welcome to arcade mode. This mode is a different style of piloting. Be sure to have wide spaces around before starting the tutorial. All right, forward, backward, shift and left, camera. Use the left to look up. Move forward to continue. All right, so we're gonna go up to 150 feet. Well, let's get up to 200 feet. Arcade mode's pretty awesome, guys. So it's basically flying like a jet on the Xbox.
Guys, this is super fun. Uh-oh. Lost connection there for a second.
Whew! Wasn't that awesome, guys? So all you need to do, if you already have the Parrot Anafi, is purchase this FPV Mambo Parrot. I did that in reverse. The Parrot Mambo FPV. And you know, you don't have to get the case if you don't want to. But all of these items are on my Amazon shop. There's a link in the description below. It's like amazon.com/shop/Shawn Studios. If you click that and buy it from that shop, you'll really help out the channel. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell for notifications of when I put out more videos about the Parrot Anafi, other drones, gimbals, action cameras, and all the good stuff. Have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.